Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be chicken gumbo in a cast iron stew pot. This is a recipe that's big enough to feed an army. Let's go ahead and get started. Doing the sausage, this actually gets pre-browned. We'll be doing it in our cast iron pot, but that gets pre-browned before it goes in, so it's one of those things that gets cooked first. And here we have the cook of the sausage going on, so you've got to brown that before you put it in. I had intended on putting it into the stew pot to do it, but got distracted. Partially got distracted by this sergeant major. That's my old platoon sergeant, then first sergeant, and he's continued on and still active and serving. So now I got him cooking for me. I'm retired, and that's what happened.
That's right. You're the boss now.
Oh yeah, this is part of the cook. All right, we're ready to go ahead and start the cooking process. You guys saw the cutting up of all the ingredients. If you look below, you'll see the ingredients list. You will be using a cast iron stew pot. I built this stand. That's in another video if you check it out. It'll be in the upper right hand corner there. This stand fits over the bayou burner. We'll do the cook in that cast iron stew pot. First we'll start with making the roux, and I'll do a real quick explanation of that process. Once the roux is done, we'll stop the cook with the Trinity, the onions, the celery, the green peppers, and from there it's just adding everything together and letting it cook. Let's go ahead and get started. So as most of you know, the mixing of the roux, or the making of the roux, is probably the most critical part of the process and the easiest to mess up. I like a peanut butter colored roux. Some people like coffee, some people like chocolate. I like it a bit on the light colored side. So we're gonna go ahead and start this, and I've got a couple of helpers to work with me, so you'll hear us working through until we can stop the roux cook with the Trinity. All right, go ahead and start shaking in.
Faster, slower?
That's perfect. Faster. Less heat. Faster. There. Now you can see it burning over right there. Just another couple of seconds. All right, good. Go. Yep, whole thing. All right, back to heat off now. Not off, just backed on. Perfect. There, so those vegetables drop that temperature down, so now that roux is set right at the peanut butter color that I was looking for.
Anything else going in?
Yeah, can you pull that celery out of that one?
What were you saying, Nick?
Wouldn't it be better to just grab it by the handful?
I'm not drink.
Oh, your thing, your camera, the freaking lipstick camera thing. I still have that. The Bluetooth camera to look in above my.
Oh yeah.
I still have that.
Okay. Well, it shows how often I use it. Is that frozen? That's why it's blocked?
No, it's just been in the fridge.
My card says in the drive-thru, my card is
Say please. Bring it in. Say please. Love this kid.
Badging is Iran.
I will. Run him over. Yes, correct.
Well, there it is. Now it's just a process of time, letting this simmer down, thicken up. That okra will start to break down, and that okra slime will thicken everything up. We might add a little bit more filet to this as a thickening agent. It's just the time letting it cook now, letting everything combine. We're about hour 2 here, and it's starting to thicken up the way we want it. The meat is starting to break down, and we're getting close, so we'll just keep an eye on it from here.
Saber wants to do brunch with stew.
So, up until around...
You're not my guy for this.
But I mean, during this time when they go
They were both...
So they made you?
this is good.
So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits, and this video is my latest upload. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.